mole fraction of iodine in benzene is 0.2. What is the molality, small m, of iodine in benzene? So we are given mole fraction of iodine in benzene solvent as 0.2. And what is that we are asked is to find molality, small m. So how is this mole fraction related to molality? So from the very definition of mole fraction, we can understand that every 0.2 moles of iodine, that is the solute, is being dissolved in 0.8 moles of solvent benzene. That is 0.2 moles of iodine are present in 0.8 moles. 0.8 into molecular weight of benzene, C6H6, 78 is the molecular weight. So therefore 0.8 moles into molecular weight is nothing but weight of the solvent in grams. So grams of solvent benzene. What is that we need to find? Molality. What is molality? We know that molality M is equal to number of moles of solute, that is say N, into 1000 by weight of the solvent in grams. So M molality is equal to N, number of moles of solute, in this case number of moles of iodine, into 1000 by weight of the solvent in grams. So from here already 0.2 moles of iodine are present in 0.8 into 78 grams of the solvent benzene. So what we want is how many moles of iodine are present in 1000 grams of solvent. So whatever the number of moles that is present in 1000 grams of the solvent being molality, we get the required answer. Therefore, molality is equal to 1000 into number of moles of solute, that is 0.2, by 0.8 into the molecular weight of the solvent, which is 78. In other words, molality is equal to, that is M is equal to 1000, which is the fixed number weight of the solvent, that is molality is equal to 1000, where 1000 is the fixed number, by 78, that is nothing but molecular weight of the solvent, into mole fraction of iodine by mole fraction of benzene. That is molality is equal to 1000 into mole fraction of solute by mole fraction of solvent into molecular weight of solvent. So this is the appropriate formula that can be directly used in solving this. Now before we simplifying this to find the exact molality, let us observe the options given. We are directly given 1000 into 0.2 by 78 into 0.8. Here also 1000 into 0.8 by 0.2 by 78, and so on in C and D. In other words, we need not simplify to find the exact molality. So we need to compare this with options given and select the correct option. So 1000 by 78 into 0.2 by 0.8. So if you observe the option A, 1000 into 0.2 by 0.8 into 78, this is what we got. Therefore, it is the molality. Here it is the 0.8 by 0.2 is given. And in this case, 0.6 is not the number at all given. And this is 78 is in the numerator. Therefore, this is also wrong. So the answer is A.